So we are going to copy this and paste it right here and click an existing database. So we shall go right here, click new, select Postgres, come here, give it a name, and we shall say this is web DB web database, and then we shall give it a name. We shall say web database DBA, and also the user web DBA, and then we shall scroll to the bottom, select the free subscription to render, and then click create database. Now that our database is available, we shall go to the database main link, click all services, and then when you go right here, you see that it is situated right here. So you click it. After clicking it, you scroll to the bottom to confirm the IP address, and see that it's 000 as required, and then we shall go and copy our external database URL, and then we shall go to our Postgres, our pgAdmin. So in this file, we are going to be able to set up our server, and we shall do that by first deleting this existing server. You remove it, and then we create a fresh server. So we see that all our initial steps have begun by deleting the existing one. It's very critical to know where you are locating and everything. So you click register, and then you click server. So it will offer you this one, and then you enter the name render.com for your convenience, and then you switch to the connections, and for the connections you paste this link which you copied, and then you find the slash at the extreme end, and everything after it you will delete, and then you find the @ symbol like at Gmail, that symbol @ and then everything starting from it to the initial start you will delete. So you will come here and include the maintenance database, the database name that we stored, and that can be easily accessed by switching and seeing what exactly is the name that we used. So we can see that the port right here is 5432, and then you have the database and username right there. So where there's Postgres in the pgAdmin, you copy and paste database for maintenance database. And additionally, for the username, you delete the Postgres and then paste the username right there, and you continue and copy the password and then paste it right there, and then you save password for easy access in future. So you click the parameters. So for the parameters, you see we have name, we have keyword, we have value, and then this is very important. I'll make this a little bigger for easy reading. So we see here it says prefer, so you click that and then require, and then after that you will save this information. After saving that information, you come to render right here, and then you right click it, and then you just click the drop down like that, and then go to database, and then go to the website database that we created in render, that name, and then you go to schemas, and then you go to public. So from public, you'll see that this is where we shall right click and then go to query tool. So when we go to the query tool, we shall then go to our VS Code and copy our code that we registered there in task 1. Copy it and then come right here and paste it. So we shall go to the very extreme top. Because our database changed, we shall see that we will have to change the initials used here from that, and then use WebDBA just as it is written here, and then we shall run it, and we shall see that it has successfully returned everything. So what we shall do, we shall examine this information. You go to the tables, you right click, and then you examine each and every table individually. Say view data, all rows, and you will see that the information is right there. And also you come to the classification, and then you see that you view the data and then all rows. You see the information right there. Then we click this and then click say all rows for the inventory, and then to be shown. Thank you.